Which crypto exchange are you using? Are you sure it's safe? And is it really giving you the best deal? Or are you paying high fees without knowing it? And are there better options out there? Well, that's exactly what we are going to cover in this video. My name is Lamia, and today I'm taking you through 5 of the best crypto exchanges on the market and help you pick the best one based on their feature, trading types, and ease of access. So don't go anywhere. Before we dive into these picks, it's important to point out a few things. Firstly, no matter how secure you think an exchange is, you should always practice self-custody. As we've seen with some exchanges in the past, you can never be 100% sure that your crypto is safe unless you control the keys. Self-custody means keeping your crypto in your own wallet, where you control the private keys instead of leaving it on an exchange. Remember, if you don't own your key, you don't truly own the crypto. If you want to know more about the difference between self-custody and keeping your assets on an exchange, check out this video, link is here. Also, this video is not sponsored and we don't have any agreement with these exchanges. It's our unbiased take on some of the best exchanges out there. Remember, this is not a comprehensive list and there are many other exchanges available. Always do your own research before choosing an exchange. We'll compare these exchanges across 5 key areas: solvency, security, coin support, fees, and other features. And remember, the exchange we're discussing today are in no particular order. So with that out of the way, let's jump into the first exchange. First up, Kraken. It's one of the oldest exchanges, founded in 2011, and has built a reputation for security and reliability. Available in most regions, Kraken was the first to introduce proof of reserve in 2014 and continues to undergo periodic audit. Its security measures include 24/7 guarded servers and thorough testing protocols, making it one of the most secure exchanges. If you don't know what is proof of reserve, I'll explain that at the end of this video, or you can watch this video here. Kraken fees are competitive, especially for high volume traders, and it offers a wide range of trading options, including spot, margin, and futures trading. It's a solid choice for both beginners and advanced traders looking for a trusted platform. Kraken is a centralized exchange with over 280 coins, 746 trading pairs available for spot trading, and 258 pairs in the future trading. The trading volume of Kraken is 603 million at the time of this recording. Kraken also offers future trading with a 24-hour volume of approximately 481 million. Futures traders on Kraken enjoy competitive fees, a taker fee of 0.075% and a maker fee as low as 0.02. This means that you can actually earn by providing liquidity on this platform. Kraken offers margin and futures trading, an NFT marketplace, staking rewards, and OTC service for institutional investors. You can try Kraken if your focus is lower trading fee, but before you decide, we still have 4 exchanges left on our list. The next exchange we have is Bybit. Founded in 2018, has quickly become one of the fastest growing exchanges with over 15 million users. Headquartered in Dubai, Bybit is known for its focus on derivatives trading, which is not for beginners. It supports 491 coins and 605 trading pairs. The platform is known for its user-friendly interface and competitive fees. For spot trading, the fee is just 0.1%, making it affordable for most traders. In the futures market, Bybit has a massive 24 hours volume of 17.4 billion, which makes it one of the most dominating platforms in derivatives trading. Futures traders pay a low taker fee of 0.075% and the maker can actually earn with 0.025 fee. This is one of the reasons Bybit attracts high volume traders who wants to maximize their profit. Bybit also has a solid trust score of 10 out of 10 insurance securities for its users. If you're looking for an exchange with a good balance of low fees and high liquidity, Bybit is worth considering. It also provides proof of reserve. Bybit holds 9.13 billion in assets held in Ethereum, Bitcoin, Solana, and other popular coins. You can pick Bybit for its derivatives friendly. OKX is the next exchange. It's ranked number 3 with respect to trade volume on CoinMarketCap. It was established in 2017 and registered in Seychelles. The exchange has 24-hour spot trading volume of 1.5 billion. It supports over 309 coins and 556 trading pairs. What makes OKX attractive is its low low spot trading fee ranging from 0.02%, which is competitive compared to many other exchanges. For futures trading, OKX is even more impressive with a 24 hours volume nearing 19.8 billion across 378 pairs. Futures traders benefit from low fee with a maker fee as low as 0.01% and a taker fee of 0.05%, making it a great option for high frequency traders. One of the standout features of OKX is its strong commitment to transparency through its proof of reserve. The exchange holds 17.6 billion in assets with the major holding in Ethereum, Bitcoin and Solana. This makes OKX one of the most secured and transparent exchanges with a trust score of 10 out of 10. However, it does not support fiat deposits, so users will need to use other methods to fund their account. Next is Coinbase, one of the OG in crypto exchanges. Founded in San Francisco in 2012 by Brian Armstrong, its current CEO. It's the largest exchange in the US by trading volume and is unique as the only crypto exchange listed on the New York Stock Exchange, which gives it access to increased liquidity and forces it to comply with strict regulation designed to protect customers' assets. With a 24-hour trading volume of 1.59 billion, it offers 253 coins and 410 trading pairs at the time of this recording. One of the major benefits of using Coinbase is its accessibility for fiat deposit. You can buy crypto using USD, GBP and euros with different deposits and withdrawal options, including bank transfer and card payment. However, fees vary and credit card payment can be expensive. So this makes it a popular choice for beginners and institutions alike. Trading fees on Coinbase follow a maker-taker model with fees ranging based on your trading volume. Beginners will find Coinbase easy to use with its user-friendly interface, while more experienced traders can use Coinbase Advanced Trade for additional tools and features. Security is key strength of Coinbase as a public company. Its financials are regularly audited by Deloitte, one of the big four accounting firms. Most users' assets are held offline in cold storage with only a small percentage online and insured. In 2021, Coinbase suffered a breach where hackers accessed 6,000 accounts, but the company quickly resolved the issue and paid back affected customers. If you are looking for a crypto exchange with a well-compliant, reliable and beginner-friendly, Coinbase is the exchange for you. However, if you like to try new tokens and play with a higher leverage, you might want to consider the next exchange. Binance, the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange by trading volume. Founded in 2017 by Changpeng Zhao, also known as CZ. Binance offers a vast range of trading options, including spot, margin and futures trading, making it popular among both beginners and advanced traders. With a 24 hours trading volume of over 11 billion for spot trading and an impressive 41 billion for futures, it dominates both markets. It holds over 100 billions in assets in its treasury as proof of reserve. Binance offers 376 coins and 1,249 trading pairs for spot and 382 pairs for futures trading. One of the key reasons traders move to Binance is its low fees. Spot traders pay a standard fee of 0.1%, but if you hold their native token BNB, you get a discount, bringing fees down to 0.075%. Futures traders enjoy even better rates with taker fee at 0.045% and the maker fee as low as 0.018%. Binance, led by CEO Richard Tang after CZ, the exchange benefits from a diversified products lineup, including options, margin trading, staking, and liquidity farming. Security on Binance is robust, with the exchange employing advanced technologies like AI surveillance. In 2019, Binance suffered a significant hack, losing 7,000 BTC, but the company reimbursed affected users from its secure asset fund for users. With millions of monthly visitors, Binance continued to grow as the go-to platform for both beginners and pro traders. Binance is ideal for anyone looking for maximum liquidity, the widest variety of coins and pairs, and some of the lowest fees in the industry. That concludes our list of top 5 crypto exchanges. Let me know in the comment which one you are trading on and what's your experience with that platform. Now, Coming to the proof of reserve part, in November 2022, crypto exchange FTX collapsed after it was revealed that they used customers' funds illegally for risky investments and their own ventures. This caused massive losses leading to bankruptcy. The scandal shook the crypto world and the crypto exchanges had to adopt proof of reserve. Through proof of reserve, anyone can verify the funds held by the crypto exchange. That's all for today. Make sure to subscribe. It really helps the channel to grow, and don't forget to hit that bell icon to get notified, and see you in the next one.